Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling a common challenge, interior design mistakes that can mess with your home's style and how to avoid them. From furniture placement to color choices, I'll guide you through tips to make your home look stunning and cohesive. So, let's get into it. Mistake 1. Ignoring scale and proportion. First up is a big one, ignoring scale and proportion. Placing large furniture in a small room or tiny pieces in a big space can reduce the balance. Always measure your space before buying furniture and consider how each piece will fit the room's size. The right proportion creates harmony and makes your space feel just right. Mistake 2. Poor lighting choices. Lighting can make or break a space. One common mistake is relying on a single ceiling light. Instead, layer your lighting with ambient, task, and accent lights. Try table lamps, floor lamps, and even wall sconces to create warmth and dimension in each room. Good lighting will bring out the best in your decor. Mistake 3. Overdoing trends. Trends can be exciting, but overdoing them might leave your home feeling outdated soon. Instead of transforming your entire space around the latest trend, try incorporating trendy items as accents. That way, your home remains timeless, and you can swap out pieces if styles change. Mistake 4. Choosing the wrong paint color first. Another big mistake is choosing paint color before anything else. It's much easier to match a paint color to your furniture and decor than the other way around. Pick out larger, statement items first, like sofas or rugs, then select a wall color that complements them to create a cohesive look. Mistake 5. Pushing furniture against the walls. Many people think pushing furniture against the walls makes a room feel bigger, but it often does the opposite. Try floating furniture away from the walls to create conversational areas. Adding a small table between chairs or a rug under a seating area creates a cozy vibe and helps define the space. Mistake 6. Skipping window treatments. Leaving windows bare is a missed opportunity. Curtains, blinds, or shades can add texture and color to a room while controlling light. Go for longer curtains that reach the floor to give an elegant, finished look. Trust me, window treatments can make all the difference. Mistake 7. Not personalizing the space. A common mistake is forgetting to add personal touches. Your home should reflect who you are, so add pieces that make you happy, like family photos, artwork, or souvenirs from your travels. Personal touches bring warmth and personality into the space, making it truly yours. Mistake 8. Neglecting storage solutions. Clutter can quickly make even the most beautifully designed rooms feel messy. Invest in functional storage solutions like baskets, shelves, or ottomans with hidden compartments. Keeping things tidy and organized allows your design to shine without distraction. And there you have it, the biggest interior design mistakes to avoid for a stunning home. Remember, it's all about balance, functionality, and adding your personal touch. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more interior design inspiration. See you next time.